some more.
Many people have problems with warts or skin tags. They are very annoying, and don't cause any pain, although sometimes they can be irritated, which could result with bleeding. Warts are an aesthetic problem, and many people, especially women, are willing to do anything to solve this problem. Skin tags are very similar to warts, and they occur at places where the skin folds, and areas where we sweat the most, armpits, face and neck. They aren't dangerous for our health, but are very noticeable. We all know about the numerous benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can treat or prevent numerous health conditions. The apple cider vinegar has strong antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal characteristics, which makes it ideal for elimination of warts. The remedy: apply several drops of apple cider vinegar on a band-aid, and treat the wart or the skin tag topically. Clean the skin well before treating it with apple cider vinegar. Use new band-aid always when cleaning the skin before treating with apple cider vinegar. Do the process well, and you will have positive results in just 5 days. In case you don't achieve the desired results in 5 days, you should continue with the treatment until the wart is eliminated.
Travix.